OpenBlow, whistleblowing platform. How to submit a report. The whistleblower can access directly the service of illegal conduct reports, through any web browser, by typing the address of access to the platform. Once connected, he or she views the home page from which it's possible to insert a new report, pressing the button Send a Report or access a report previously entered, by typing the 16 characters corresponding code and pressing the button Enter. Once the Send a Report button has been pressed, the whistleblower can proceed to insert the report by filling in a questionnaire. The whistleblower can enter the main data relating to his or her occupation and the employer, specify the type of unlawful conduct highlighted, and indicate which third parties are involved and what benefits, including economic ones, have drawn from it. The whistleblower has a notes field at his disposal where he or she can add other information, and a description of the facts field where he or she can enter all the relevant and useful information to understand what and when the offense occurred. In the Other Informed Subjects panel, accompanied by additional elements, a disciplinary or administrative, criminal, civil, or accounting litigation procedure is indicated in relation to the reported facts, in progress at the time of the report. In the documentary and multimedia evidence, the whistleblower can insert text files or multimedia contents without format limitations. He or she can add a description in a notes field for each file entered. In the Identity panel, the whistleblower enters his or her identification information. The whistleblower can choose, through a checkbox, whether to enter them or whether to report anonymously. By choosing to enter his or her identity, the whistleblower fills in the fields with identification information, such as name, surname, date and place of birth, tax code, residence and contact details via telephone or email. Once the fields have been filled in, the whistleblower receives information on the use of the reporting code, which is useful for accessing the report at a later time. By confirming the memorization of the code, it's possible to proceed by clicking on the Send button. The confirmation of the successful insertion of the report will appear in the 16-character code returned by the system, with which it will be possible to access the report again. By opening the previously entered report again, it's possible to view all the information recorded. At the bottom of the page, the whistleblower can upload any new attachments, and start an asynchronous chat with the instructor who is handling the report. It's also possible to access a previous report from the home page, again by entering the 16-digit code returned by the system during the first entry phase.